Have you ever wondered what would happen if all life on Earth simply vanished? A chilling thought, isn't it? But believe it or not, our planet has faced such drastic scenarios not once, not twice, but 5 times in its history. These cataclysmic events, known as mass extinctions, have played a pivotal role in shaping the course of life on Earth. A mass extinction event is characterized by the sudden loss of a vast number of species within a relatively short geological span. These aren't just random, isolated incidents. They are significant because they cause a radical shift in the diversity and complexity of life forms that survive and evolve thereafter. From the depths of the ocean to the highest mountain peaks, no corner of our world remains untouched by these events. So immense is their impact that they leave indelible marks on the very fabric of life. Now let's dive into the 5 major mass extinctions that have shaped life on our planet. Around 443 million years ago, the first of these mass extinctions took place. It marked the end of the Ordovician period and the beginning of the Silurian. This catastrophic event is known as the Ordovician-Silurian Extinction. What triggered this mass extinction? It's believed that a dramatic drop in sea levels due to widespread glaciation was the primary culprit. Our planet went through an extreme ice age which had devastating effects on marine life. This ice age resulted in a significant reduction in the habitats of marine species, making survival a daunting task. The Ordovician-Silurian extinction led to the annihilation of about 85% of marine species. Among the victims were the brachiopods and bryozoans, 2 of the most prevalent species in the ocean at the time. Their demise was a significant loss to the biodiversity of our planet. The Earth was left with significantly fewer species, setting the stage for the next mass extinction. This event was just the beginning of a series of global catastrophes that would continually reshape the biosphere as we know it. Fast forward to about 360 million years ago, and the Earth faced another catastrophic event. Known as the late Devonian extinction, it was a time of significant upheaval. The planet's climate changed dramatically, with temperatures fluctuating wildly. These changes proved too much for many species, especially those in marine environments. Coral reefs declined and fish populations suffered. The devastation was far-reaching, with a staggering 3/4 of all species disappearing forever. This event wiped out 75% of species, paving the way for new life forms to evolve. The largest mass extinction event occurred about 250 million years ago. This cataclysmic event is known as the Permian-Triassic Extinction. This was a time when life on Earth faced its most severe crisis. It wasn't a meteor or an asteroid that caused this catastrophe, but rather, the Earth itself. Around this time, a significant amount of volcanic activity was occurring in what is now Siberia. These eruptions were so intense and prolonged that they caused drastic changes in the global climate. The Earth warmed, oceans acidified, and oxygen levels dropped. This volatile environment proved too challenging for most species. In the aftermath of this extinction event, a staggering 96% of all marine species and 70% of terrestrial vertebrate species disappeared. This loss of biodiversity was so profound that it took life on Earth up to 10 million years to recover. This event, often called the Great Dying, drastically altered life on Earth. Following the Great Dying, another mass extinction occurred around 200 million years ago. This cataclysm, known as the Triassic-Jurassic Extinction, was likely triggered by intense volcanic activity. The resultant environmental changes wiped out many species, leaving a gaping hole in the world's biodiversity. However, every ending births a new beginning. This event, while catastrophic, paved the way for a new era of dominance, the reign of the dinosaurs. Yet, as we'll soon discover, even these mighty creatures couldn't escape the cycle of extinction. Finally, around 66 million years ago, the Earth experienced its most famous mass extinction. This cataclysmic event, known as the Cretaceous-Paleogene Extinction, brought an end to the Cretaceous period and ushered in the Paleogene period. The primary suspect behind this mass extinction is an asteroid impact, with the evidence being a massive crater off the coast of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. This colossal impact would have caused a nuclear winter-like effect, drastically altering the planet's climate and making survival a challenge for many species. Most notably, this event signaled the end of the dinosaurs' reign. These magnificent creatures, who had ruled the Earth for over 160 million years, were suddenly wiped out. But as they say, when one door closes, another opens. The extinction of the dinosaurs paved the way for the rise of mammals, who were previously overshadowed by their reptilian counterparts. This event marked the end of the dinosaurs and the beginning of mammalian dominance, including our own species, humans.